Ready, steady. Ready, steady, go! Morning, everyone. It is I, the Grand Vizier. And I went. Let's just start on my seat and just. I'll just start on my seat actually. You're not gonna smile? You're not even gonna stop drinking your juice, are you? You know, I'm just gonna put you down. Or not. I'm just gonna leave you right here so you can watch yourself drink. No, I'm putting you down. Putting you down. I'll just move this away. Getting a little weird. But yeah, we're doing some fireworks later on this evening, and I'm actually going to be doing a barbecue. It's like early November, but as long as the skies are not raining, I'm all for it. I can't help it. Let's have the barbecue. I love it. I love it.
Hello. Do some fireworks.
And barbecuing.
Oh yeah, barbecuing, yeah.
Yeah, we're good. Go.
Sorry guys. Oh. That's that one.
Who screamed? Someone who screamed?
It wasn't even in there. It was something else.
Brian's in there with the baby because baby didn't like it. But I don't think you can see.
Hold on, let me turn on the light quickly.
How is she? Ah, there we go, see?
What's up, dudes?
How is she?
Scared.
Is she scared?
So we're having to. I'm in here watching it from in here.
How's she doing in there though?
Hey, it's a bit jumpy still.
Yeah, do it.
Everyone else is out here being crazy with the fireworks. People screaming that aren't even here. All we did was buy these from Tesco's. My ones are from Tesco's. Oh yes, Sainsbury's. Oops.
How you doing?
My one's from
Tesco.
Oh, see, Tesco's and Sainsbury's. There. Dad, run! I'm scared. Oh, it's a fountain. Whee!
I like ones like that. Whoop, whoop. They're pretty.
Try over there.
Shit.
That was handy,
I'm
handy.
just gonna go and move there.
So apparently we're not good at fire safety.
Who's the fire marshal?
Me.
Fire marshal and 2 first aiders. You should be okay.
The 45 shot big one.
Yeah.
Next to the fountain, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
Do you want me to take things off that?
Oh, barbecue. We're being ambitious.
So you know, you think, hang on, wait a sec.
What's
There's
that
something over there. Wow, it's that.
Where's we gonna die? Are you okay?
I'm doing okay.
Mum doesn't like fireworks.
The big one that we had, the shot one,
You
scared.
went to the last one.
What, where someone over the fence shouted, like, Jesus Christ! That doesn't run fast enough.
That doesn't run.
Oh my god! I don't like that one, let's get closer.
Are we good?
Okay then.
I'm having a heart attack. I thought it was coming towards me.
We've all had a near-death experience.
I'm scared. I thought it was coming towards me. That's why that one wasn't clearly shot.
That was too busy running away.
I was like, what?
She was
You
being
don't want to film your death and put it on YouTube?
Oh yeah. This is how Katie
Why not?
died.
This is it. Not a game again.
Not a game, it's not a firework going.
Oh, apparently,
Mum.
apparently not.
Did you seriously light with a cigar? You.
I had to light fireworks in stuff.
Oh,
Oh, thank you again.
it's a cute one.
It's too dad to do anything, Hayden. Yeah. Oh look, it looks like the mist coming home from holiday.
We get a bit smoky where the
Oh, they're coming home
Where
from
it's hitting
holiday.
the
It's
grass.
amazing.
Yeah.
Ah, look, the baby.
Vlog that. Well done. It's humid, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, hey Meg. So you see you got my camera there?
Yeah.
Are you still?
Like my hammer. They're good.
Oh, oh, look, pretty.
Please, Rod. Don't stand.
Pretty.
Oh, look.
Lime.
It's like a green hornet coming towards you, isn't it? Oh, look at a little bubba.
Oh, it's a little cute one. Watch it grow.
Watch it fly out the ground, yeah. Show it, not grow it.
Yay! Oh, damn.
As well. And your one.
My one, I've got
Are
one.
you going to do the Roman candle?
Yeah, we're going to get... That's
Use a
one.
pyroblast one.
With a big one.
Dad's got something else.
Or should we build up to the big one? Take the big one first, or should we?
We're going to finish with a big one, aren't we?
Oh, no,
No,
my
but
one.
so we got the big one that Hayden bought, the whatever.
It's fucking mine, man.
Don't try this at home, kids. Beautiful. Little giant bass track there, isn't it?
Do you want any sausages? Do you want any sausages or burgers?
Sorry?
Do you want sausages?
We're getting more things for fireworks.
Yeah. I've got one bigger one. Bigger than that one. That one. That's
Right, this is another little fountain.
We don't know what these fountains are like. Brian, what did you do?
What?
Big round.
Ah, it's a cute one. Brian, you're probably right in the way of Dante. And we're just doing the last few of the fireworks before we eat.
Yay!
Sort of pass and that.
I need a drink.
No, mine's inside.
There's some Warsteiner.
I've drunk all my wine. It's not good.
Would you like some Warsteiner?
That's the last of the rose.
I think I'm good with no water sign now.
Yeah, it's a bloody nightmare. Yeah. Raw. Spilt it all over the floor.
Brian.
No, we did.
I did.
We did.
Because we were trying to do it.
Oops.
Yeah, indeed.
Pretty fire. Oh,
There's another fountain.
that's pretty. See, I like ground level ones. I'm very much for the ground level fireworks. I tell you what, that would be an amazing picture to get copied and then get a child to copy it.
Why, I already did firework paintings with them.
Where we went to pick up his rice.
Yes, that's where they do the fireworks.
Yeah, alright. Great.
We have walked from here.
Yeah,
Lucky for fireworks before Brian.
we actually did.
Really?
Yeah.
With Vicky.
You were with
You were
us.
with us.
What?
What's wrong with you? You were with us. Sparkler. Oi, you stole my sparkler. Hayden just stole my sparkler.
Don't know what that.
He's right.
Fucking planes.
Sparklers.
At the back where's the bedroom window.
Sparklers. I got you.
Here we are in the Brown and Ledgery household.
Oh my God, stop.
Wait, get one lip.
Oh, we keep this.
That's not such
Well, here we go. Harry Potter's raising something head ago.
That's where we are in life.
Well, you know when we go to Florida in 2 years?
Crucio.
We are actually doing Harry Potter Road.
Oh, this is the big one. This is the big one.